My name's Charlie Lucas. I'm from like Dartford area, and yeah, I'm happy to be here.
What we do?
Well, right now I'm about to get on the phone with some landlords, hopefully, see if I can get some rent-to-rent deals going.
Amazing. And tell me a bit about the event. Who's it run by? What are we learning? What's the?
It's run by Samuel Leeds, and there's a whole lot of information really. The first few days are about HMOs, and these last 2 days are about serviced accommodation. Right now we've all come out to start getting on the phones to estate agents and landlords.
Amazing. And tell me a bit about Samuel. What's his stage presence like? How is
Yeah, he's really powerful, like really well spoken, very. He's like down to earth. It's really like you wouldn't expect that from like I don't know, like you know what I mean, like like a teacher that's he's just trying to help everyone really. He's a really good person, and it's really helpful. Yeah, so.
What's the best thing about this event?
The best thing about this event, probably the fact that like now, for example, we're come out and we're actually doing it, and he's getting everyone to do it and putting you in positions that you might not be comfortable in. But I think that's probably the best thing, because otherwise you won't get anywhere, will you? So actually doing it, yeah.
Would you recommend it to?
Oh yeah, most definitely. Yeah. I'd recommend it to anyone that's interested in property. Yeah, definitely.